Did you know that delays in processing your application for the New York State Tuition Assistance Program, or TAP, may be a result of errors in the information you reported in your application, like a wrong Social Security number or date of birth, missing parental income, or missing signatures? If you've received a notification that your TAP application can't be processed because it needs a correction or is missing documents, this is an easy fix, and we'll show you how to review your application and make necessary corrections in just a few easy steps. Navigate to hesc.ny.gov and click the yellow Student Access tab found in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. Click Review My NYS Financial Aid Information link on the left menu. Enter your user ID and PIN to securely log in. You'll need to review and confirm your contact information before continuing. Click on the Details button in the Tuition Assistance Program box at the top. From here, you can review any missing information messages found in the Details area. To make corrections, provide signatures, or upload documentation, click the Review Update Your TAP Information button at the bottom. Please note that some changes may not be allowed, such as changes to your income information. A message indicating that your answer can't be modified will appear next to any sections that can't be modified. Navigate to the section of the TAP application that needs to be updated and click the corresponding Modify Your Answer link. This will bring you to the Online Change Form summary, where you can make the change to your TAP application. Once your updates are complete, use the Submit Changes button located at the bottom of the Online Change Form summary page to submit your changes. If documentation is required, you can submit the required form by clicking on the links next to the error message at the top of the page. Once filled out, you can submit them electronically through the form. Any additional supporting documentation can be submitted manually by clicking the Return to Your Account button at the bottom of the page. Then, Upload TAP Documents. In the Upload Documents page, select the document type you want to upload, then select the document using the Browse button. Once selected, click the Upload Documents button at the bottom of the page. You can upload more than one form per session with a maximum of 15 documents every 30 days. Once your updates are completed, be sure to log out of your student account. Please allow 4 weeks for processing of all applications and change requests. For more information or to contact HESC with more questions, visit www.hesc.ny.gov.